coming out of the Times table is always something to reckon with, more so when it has to do with beauty. You always associate beauty queens over the years with the Times group. So I think the Diva is another feather in their cap, and I'm looking forward to it.
I'm just excited to be here today. I'm, one of the judges, and it's just, having taken part in a beauty pageant and being Miss Sri Lanka. It's nice to actually now feel what it's like to judge Miss India, and it's definitely a one-off experience for me, and it's something I think that definitely will be an amazing experience.
Well, lots of beautiful women, obviously, but I think, like we were talking earlier, is that what we're looking for is someone who has a lot of personality as well. I know it's really hard to come through like really quickly, but sometimes you meet someone that's really beautiful, but there's no personality, and you don't find them attractive enough. And there's someone that people might perceive as being ordinary, but you meet them and they have great personality, and you find them really attractive. So I think the most important thing is obviously the personality.
I think it's going to be phenomenal. I have judged a lot of Miss Indias before, and this is the first time that I'm judging Miss Diva, and it is handled by the Times of India group. So it's going to be, I think, in its full element, and it's going to be fantabulous. That's what I'm expecting.